Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Motorola's latest premium mid-ranger, the Edge 60 Fusion. Motorola has been bringing some serious heat to the smartphone market lately, so this is everything we know so far about the Edge 60 Fusion. From its fabulous design to its upgraded features, there's definitely a lot to cover. While Motorola hasn't officially unveiled the Edge 60 Fusion just yet, leaks and early announcements have given us a closer look at what this smartphone is bringing to the table. The Edge 60 Fusion is reportedly sticking to Motorola's signature slim and sleek design. But here's the exciting part. Rumors suggest it'll feature a curved edge AMOLED display with a 6.67-inch screen size, packing a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's right, vivid colors, sharp contrast, and fluid scrolling all in one gorgeous package. And if you're worried about durability, don't be. Motorola is rumored to equip this phone with a Gorilla Glass build and premium materials for a high-end feel. Plus, it's expected to boast an ultra-thin bezel design, maximizing screen real estate for immersive viewing. Under the hood, the Edge 60 Fusion is anticipated to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, a seriously capable processor for day-to-day performance, heavy multitasking, and even gaming. What's great about this chipset is its efficiency. Pair that with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, and you've got a device ready to handle everything from demanding apps to 4K video editing with ease. In short, Motorola isn't holding back on power. Alright, let's get to one of the most important aspects of any smartphone in 2025, the camera system. If the leaks are accurate, the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is shaping up to be a photography powerhouse. The phone will reportedly sport a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, ensuring crystal clear photos even in low light. There's also likely going to be a 13MP ultra-wide lens and a depth sensor to round out the triple camera setup. And for you selfie takers out there, the 32MP front camera should deliver sharp, high-quality pictures that'll stun on social media. But what about battery life? Good question. The Edge 60 Fusion is said to pack a 4,500 mAh battery, which should easily last you a full day of moderate to heavy use. And when you do need to juice it up, Motorola's 68W fast charging ensures you're back up and running in no time, reportedly going from 0 to 50% in under 20 minutes. On the software side, this phone will come out of the box running Android 14 with Motorola's lightweight MyUX skin. If you've used a Motorola device before, you'll know it's as close to stock Android as it gets with just a few clever tweaks. Think customizable gestures and personalized themes. And let's not forget Motorola's ecosystem. You'll be able to seamlessly connect the Edge 60 Fusion with other Motorola devices, including their smart accessories and ready for desktop experience. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how much is this going to cost? Well, while there's no official word on pricing just yet, early reports suggest the Edge 60 Fusion will come in at around $499 to $599, depending on the variant. That makes it a strong competitor in the premium mid-range segment, taking on the likes of OnePlus, Samsung, and Google. As for availability, Motorola is expected to launch the Edge 60 Fusion in key markets like Europe, India, and the Americas sometime in the next few weeks. So, keep an eye out, especially if you're due for an upgrade. To wrap things up, the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is shaping up to be a feature-packed mid-range phone with a stunning design, serious power, and flagship-level cameras, all at a competitive price point. Honestly, if you're looking for an affordable yet premium device in 2025, this could definitely be worth considering. So, what do you think about the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion? Are you excited about this device? Let me know in the comments below. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.